Yeah. La da da da. No 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 no. Yeah yeah. We've been through drought and heavy rain, lost a few, felt that pain. Door slammed shut in my face, still me stand in my place. Me wear the scars but not the shame. Every loss just fuel the flame. They tried to write me destiny, but that's not me.
Struggle visit, but it don't stay. I'm bigger than yesterday.
Hard times don't own me.
Them just pass through. They can test me, stress me,
but them can't move who I am inside. My spirit wide. Hard times don't own me.
I still rise.
Yeah. Me see the bottom, cold and deep. Felt so tired, couldn't sleep. Doubt knock loud at my door, but me answer with more. Me not defined by broken days or by the times me lose my way. Every fall teach me how to be
stronger me.
Pressure build, but pressure more. Hard times don't own me.
I clear my ground even when my world's spin around.
Hard times don't own me. I'm temporary, my foundation steady. Storm may test me identity, but it don't own me. Me not my debt, me not my past. Me not the season that didn't last. Me not the tear that hit the floor. Me more.
I'm built from grit and memory. From every low, I set me free. So when the darkness try to control me, it don't hold me.
Hard times don't own me. Me stay strong
Even when the nights feel long.
Hard times don't own me. Me remain through sunshine and through rain. Them might shape me, but them can't shame me. Hard times don't own me.
Tested.
Hard times don't own me.